Hey guys, happy Mask Monday. So today I am doing several masks. So I have an eye mask on, and while I'm in my bathroom, I cannot tell if this is in a picture upside down or right side up. So hopefully this little gold mask, eye mask packet, I do have quite a few of them. I've got them off of Amazon. I can link those below. The second mask I did was the Sun Aloe mask. I am still feeling totally parched and dehydrated. So we're gonna use that. And there's still some product in there, so I'll put that on my face when I'm done. And then these are the foot masks that I'm using today. So I did win some foot masks from Lorrie-YLNIZPNC unboxing, and I have a box of 5 of those. So I'm just really excited about that. I like to use a lot of foot masks. I am always dry. So this one seems to help my feet a lot. So let me show you again what this one is. Hopefully you can read it and that it'll zoom in for you. That's one thing I can't tell about being blind. And then I took these with me on the trip, which are these Sun Aloe masks, and of course never used them. I was always too busy doing something, and I didn't stop to use them, which I should have. So I've got my little handy dandy tool that I am just kind of using around the edges to keep my mask on. And hopefully this will help to hydrate me. Let's see. I got home last Sunday from the cruise. I went on the Carnival Dream, which there's about 3,500 guests on there and probably 1,200 staff on there. We had a ball. So you all know that I have health problems and that I have nerve damage and things like that. So I tried to get a massage on every cruise ship I go on. It is a little expensive, but it's well worth the money, and it really helps me out. So when I was on the ship, I went on, let's see, we boarded on Saturday. We had a sea day on Sunday, and on Monday I had my massage. It was awesome. It was so awesome. I had a great masseuse, and she did a good job. So she's from the Philippines and was getting ready to go back home the day that we docked back in Galveston. So I was excited for her. She's been gone for 9 months from her family. She has a teenager, but she also has a 6-year-old. And I think she's a single mother. So, you know, trying to make ends meet, pay for her family. I think the girls were with her parents. So Evelyn was her name, sweetest thing ever. So when I got my second massage, they were having a special, and I had got my second massage, and I made sure I booked it with her also because she had done a great job. I have to do the deep tissue massage, which is very much deep into the tissues. I think the first time I had it done, it was definitely a hard massage, but it helped my muscles a lot. But I had tears in my eyes in the beginning, you know, as you get used to it. But that's what I have to do to loosen muscles around my nerves. So did all that. Brought my mask and stuff with me and gave my girlfriend a couple of those too so she could do them. But I never really stopped to do them. We were always busy. Trying to get this mouthpiece from staying back while I talk. We were always busy, so we really didn't get a chance to do all of those. So let's see what else we did on the ship. it was 4 stops, and you'll learn more about my cruise in the cruise vlogs, but it was 4 stops. The first stop was Key West, which I love Key West, and has great places to eat, drink, just look at, pretty beach, you know, all of that. I'm one though, I like the white sands. I don't like all the seaweed that is pushed up on shore. I guess I'm spoiled. I like it to be cleaned up if there is a bunch of that. And I don't like to swim with a ton of seaweed either. So I didn't swim in Key West. We rented a golf cart, so we didn't really stop to do beach. We walked out on some of the piers, which was beautiful. They had an AIDS bridge there, and there was a memorial to all of the AIDS victims who have passed away in Florida, or in Key West, maybe it was. And then they had like an engraving of all the Key West islands, and then they had all the names. So I thought that was pretty neat to have a memorial for them. And let's see what else we did. We ate some Mexican food at a little restaurant across the street from Sloppy Joe's, which is, Sloppy Joe's is a very famous bar. And we did go over there and have drinks, but I couldn't eat there. So everybody else had their food there. And then I went across the street to this little Mexican restaurant, and it was awesome. So a lot of their stuff is outdoor, but indoor. Like if you walk inside this establishment where the Mexican food restaurant is, it's all open air. So like there's no windows and doors, you know, when you're sitting in there. And it's awesome though. I love it. I love anything that's open like that. And just, so it's kind of like you feel like you're outside. So there was no air conditioning, of course, but the fans were going, and it was beautiful that day. I will put in some pictures of us on the golf cart. Jamie and I sat on the back, and so I faced the traffic. So I did a lot of filming of what was around there in that city. So it was beautiful. It was a great day. I think we came back and went to the pool on board after that. Stayed there for a while. I think I ate Guy's Burgers that night. Guy's Burgers, Guy Fieri, has a hamburger joint on each of the Carnival ships. It is right there by the swimming pool. And they will do gluten-free, and they will also do just the protein burger. So they changed their buns, and definitely did not like the buns. It was like a biscuit, but it was very dry. Alexa, cancel. Alexa, set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Okay, that's for my feet. And, oh, Guy's Burgers, that's what I was talking about. So they had their own little burger joint there, and I had mostly the protein burger with the French fries because didn't like the bun, like I was saying. It was just very dry. I think they need to go back to the buns they used earlier. But I ate there several times. They also have a pizza place there, and that's open 24 hours. The burger place is not. It's open till 6. But the pizza place is open 24 hours. They have gluten-free pizza, but I will tell you, it's not very good. When you're hungry, you will eat it. But the crust is really thin, of course, but it doesn't feel like the sauce and the cheese and everything on it doesn't feel like it's cooked enough. I like mine cooked a little more, so the crust will get a little softer, but I guess it might just be the gluten-free crust. It's not going to. So those are the 2 places I ate, like right next to the pool. There is I'm trying to think of the name it is. It's a little Mexican area where you could get breakfast or lunch. And hubby and I think Billy, they ate there a few times. It was kind of neat to eat just out on the pool deck when we were getting up in the morning or having lunch mostly. They did have dining room where I could go to get breakfast, but it's a long wait. It's like you go in, it's more of a formal dining. So you go in and you have to wait. You order, of course it's gluten-free, you have to wait. And, you know, it just takes longer to eat. Sometimes you like just a grab and go. And in the buffet, which is a grab and go, you know, a huge buffet, they did omelets. So I knew that I could eat the omelets, which I did. I mostly had some omelets and some fruit, stuff like that for breakfast, and it was good. So I didn't mind doing that either, because I would really love to have my friends be able to eat what they want to and not have to go to the dining room every time for me. But food was good. We had a really good time and ate too much, came back, gained 5 pounds. Of course, you always gain weight when you go on a cruise. If you don't gain weight on a cruise, you're not having enough fun. Between the drinks and the food, always gaining some weight. So I'm good with that. So today I will be doing some filming. I have some boxes that came while I was away. I think we were away 9 nights total. So I did get some boxes while I was gone. I'm waiting for FABFITFUN. Totally waiting for my FABFITFUN. Everybody's getting it. I see it. I'm an annual member. I want my box. I do have some add-ons on that box, and I think I have one refill. So I definitely will film those as soon as that box comes in. So, but I did get a pink sugar. I got some IPSY and BOXYCHARM while I was gone. Single swag while I was gone. I'm trying to think of what else. I do have 2 little Sephora deluxe sample bags to also film. So I've got a lot to film. I have granddaughters coming today. They're gonna stay with us while my son is working today. They'll be picked up tonight, and then we have them Saturday and Sunday during the days while he's working. And I'm excited because that's the time we really get to see them. You know, they go to mom's for a week and then dad's for a week because they're divorced. So when they're with my son, we get to at least see them on the weekend. So that's awful nice, you know, I love it. But hopefully this little mask here will make me feel a little more hydrated. So I'm gonna take this one off because it's been on long enough. There it is. I'm gonna take off the eye. The only thing that hasn't been on long enough is my feet. Gotta wait for the other alarm to go off for my feet. Oh, this feels so good. You just know when your body is needing hydration, so hopefully that will help for today. Let me see if I can get some more out of this little thing. You know, you might as well, if you got some left down in the packet, which I do, just put the rest of it on. Let it soak in. So everybody, if you're watching this, I am looking for someone that has a FABFITFUN mystery bundle to do a collab with. So if you are interested in doing that collab with me, I would love it. Please DM me on Instagram, or you can email me at the address below. I really appreciate it. I'm excited. I have this, I think this is the second one that I've had. The first one I just opened on my own, but I see lots of people do battles, and I would love to be doing a battle with somebody. So if you're interested, love, we can do a collab together and show off what we got in our bundles. So I have one bundle here, and then I have one coming with my FABFITFUN box. So I will actually have 2, but if there's somebody that wants to do just one, that's fine. And then I can have second person who wants to do one with me, and we can do a battle. See who got the best box. So I'm excited about that. I guess that's it for now, guys. I've gotten all my masks done. Y'all get to see me in my bathroom with wet hair. But please continue to watch. I have a 400 subscriber giveaway coming up, and I'm very excited about it. I have some great giveaway items. I'm 4 away from getting to 400. So as soon as I get to 400, I will put that together and get that filmed. Thank you so much, subscribers and creators, for all the help that you have got me to the 396. You have been awesome. I love the friendships I have made, and the new subscribers and the old subscribers. You guys rock. I'm just telling you that. You rock. So I guess that's it for this Monday, Mask Monday. I love you guys, and please continue to watch the videos and let me know about the FabFitFun mystery box.